Let's type that into Excel. I'll start with my if statement, and my logical test is going to start with and I'm going to type that this cell must equal sunny. And then my second test is that my temperature cell must be greater than 80 degrees. That's the end of my and function and the end of my logical test in my if statement. So I'm going to close it, type a comma. Now I'm going to say my value, if both of those are true, is I'm going to go to the beach. And if it's false, I'm going to go to the gym. Then close that if statement, hit enter. And since it's sunny and 85 degrees, I'm going to go to the beach. If I change this to rainy, then I'm just going to go to the gym. Or if it's sunny, but it's 40 degrees, I'll still go to the gym. I need both of these conditions to be true in order for me to go to the beach. In some cases, you'll want to perform your true action if either or both of two conditions is true. In this case, you're trying to decide, do you want to stay inside or do you want to go for a run? And the logic that we're using is if it's raining or if it's less than 40 degrees, we're staying inside. Otherwise, there's no excuse, we're going to go for a run. Using the or statement, it's considered positive or true if it's raining or if it's less than 40 degrees or if it's both raining and below 40 degrees. In Excel, it looks a lot like using the and function. You just replace and with or, and then you have the two conditions that create the positive case if either of them is true. And then as usual, your second argument is the action to take if it's true, and your third argument is the action to take if it's false. So if I'm going to build that here, I'll say if, and then my logical test is or. Right here is equal to raining. And then my second condition in my or statement is if the temperature is less than 40. So my or statement is finished. I have both of those conditions. Close that. My logical test is complete. So I'm going to hit the comma. If true, I'm going to stay inside. And if false, I'm going to go for a run. Since it's raining and cold, I'm going to stay inside. If it's raining, but I warm it up, I'm still going to stay inside. The only way that I'm going to go for a run is if it's not raining and it's warm. The first logical operator that we looked at was the if statement. We might be asking, if it's raining, I'm going to stay inside. If it's not raining, I'm going to go for a run. Excel also has the not operator, which simply switches our two arguments. So if it's not raining, then I'll go for a run. If it's not raining, then I'll stay inside. In Excel, you type a normal if statement, and the only difference is that you have this not function around your test, so it reverses your test. So first you'll test, is it raining? And if it's true, then the not function will change that true to a false. So here is the function that we created first with our if statement. If it's raining, we're going to wear our rain jacket. Otherwise, we're going to wear our t-shirt. If I go in here, and all I have to do is add not in front of that test to check and see if it's raining. And now it's going to switch my values. If it's not raining, now it's saying I'm going to wear my rain jacket. And if it's not raining, I'm going to wear my t-shirt. So that doesn't make sense. I'm going to switch these two arguments. I'm going to put the rain jacket in my false argument and the t-shirt in my true argument. So now let's make sense. If it's not raining, that's going to be true. So I'll wear my t-shirt. If it's not raining, that's going to be false. So I'm going to wear my rain jacket because it is raining. So if the weather is sunny, I'll wear my t-shirt. If it's raining, I'll wear my rain jacket. This logical operator is a little bit more exotic, but still an interesting one to learn. And it's the XOR function, exclusive OR. Let's say that you have 1 hour free on Saturday, and you either want to go to the dentist or you could book a massage. If either a good dentist or a good massage therapist has that hour block available, then you'll go ahead and schedule it with them. But if you have a dentist who also offers to give you a massage at the same time, you might want to reevaluate. The exclusive OR says this is okay if it's A or if it's B, but if it's A and B, then that's a problem. It's written in Excel like this. Inside an if statement, your test is exclusive OR, dentist or massage, not both. If that's true, then you'll schedule with either the dentist or the massage therapist. But if it's false, if neither of them are available, or if you have one offering to do both, your dentist offering to give you a massage or your massage therapist offering to check your teeth, you're going to reevaluate. And the syntax is going to be exactly the same as the OR function, so we'll skip rewriting and Excel just to avoid being too repetitive.